Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to report on Roblox. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your game like this. Then once you click on the escape button, you will see here this section right here, people. And now let's say that I want to report this one right here. All you should do is to simply click on this report button with the flag icon on it. And if you click on this button beside it, you will block this player. But now I want to report him, so I'm going to click on this icon right here. And after that, we'll show you this page. Now you have to select if you want to report an experience or the person. Now let me choose the person. Then now you have to choose the type of abuse. Is it text, chat or avatar? And you can also choose the reason for abuse by clicking on this option right here. Then after that, you can add a small description right here. And once you finish selecting all these things, you will see that this button right here will light up and you can simply click on it and your report will be submitted. And that's all for today, guys, and see you in a new video.